My name is Christopher Carr. I own a window washing business. I got the certification in the August of last year. Since then, we did about, I'd say maybe around 60, 70,000 in hood cleaning. As far as the number of clients that we've received since, getting certified, probably around 40, 50 customers, and every single one is a repeat customer. Once you clean them once and you do a good job and you give them a price, like your hood sticker that you put on the hood when you finish says when you're coming back. Cleaning is one of those things that people don't want to do. Anytime you find something that people don't want to do, there's value to be added. And where there's value added, there's money made. So it gives you that skill that is very highly paid if you know how to do it and you're certified and you know how to do it the correct way. Following our yearly window cleaning for the local hospital here, we got asked if we knew somebody who cleaned kitchen hoods. I'm an entrepreneur at heart. I problem solve, and if somebody doesn't have a solution, I find it, and give it to them. I did a bunch of research and found the MFS Trade School certification, called up Christos on the phone and talked to him, and he said, well, I can't tell you you're going to succeed 100%, but if you put the work in and you learn to do it right, there's money to be made. So I pulled the trigger and got the certification, and I bought the pressure washer that you guys sell, the Mighty M, with the diesel burner and everything, and it is perfect. So as far as the hood cleaning, the plan right now is to kind of just grow slowly and steadily, because it is an addition to the window cleaning business. At this point, every hood cleaning we've done has been an average of 12 hours because of the state it is. And so we're busy. We're busy during our window cleaning season. We're busy during our off season. If you do a good job, they have no reason not to call you. The best advice I think Christos gave me was just jump in, start finding problems to solve, and then use the resources that you have to find those solutions to those problems. You watch a bunch of YouTube videos and you hear, oh, you do it this way and this way. It is so hard to find information that is accurate and valuable unless you talk to somebody who's been doing it for 20 years. And talk to Christos about, doing the program. And I was like, well, let's go for it. We have a hospital that already wants it done. So even if we only get that client, it's going to pay for itself. I received a lot of support and help from Christos. He gives you a very good foundation of the core pieces of hood cleaning. And having that foundation gives you something you can build off of. Following the certification, I had 1,000 questions. And Christos always answers the phone every time I call him, even just to say, hey, let me call you back in 5 minutes, or text me your question. He's very accessible, very available, and full of a wealth of knowledge. We had never done a pollution control unit, never come across it. I came across it and was like, holy cow, I'm way out of my depth. I have no idea what I'm doing. Called Christos, hey, what do you know about pollution control units? Okay, send me the model number and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. Perfect. A lot of times we refrain from doing things because of our fear of failure. And the best remedy for that is to go and fail and find those points of failure so that we know how to succeed, right? You can't know how to solve a problem if you don't confront the problem and figure out the pieces of that problem that are a problem, and then you can find solutions to those. There's going to be jobs where you have to do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and there's a little tweaking to it. Maybe you can't wrap the hood perfectly. Use the main things you learn, and apply those to it, and then the little stuff that you're not sure about, use the resources, the network that you have to solve those problems for your customers, and they will be forever grateful for you because your competition isn't going to do that. And advice that I would give to anybody kind of getting into the space is do your research, use the resources that the MFS Trade School gives you, and follow the book.